like the road is wet. We got a side of the person coming out, running across the street. We are zoomed in on our GoPro. So that person is really not that close, and they have a kid in their hands. That's just not good. It's just not good, but it's not a big deal. Car tries to cut off motorcycle at turn light. Okay, Motostars, what do we got here? Do we have a rookie doing something stupid? We're all, okay, they didn't see us, but we did good. We saw them. We were perceiving that. We reacted to it. So, crazy bikers suck. Oh, interesting name. Interesting name.
Road rage.
Road rage. Oh, we got some road rage.
You silly bitch.
And there was some accident stuff in there, a collision.
Oh, bang, bang.
Bang, bang, ha, ha, ha. Anyways. Okay, blurring out our speedo. Obviously going a little too fast. We got a turn right here. It's a sharp left turn. You saw the chevrons. We low-sided and now went and... Oh my god.
With a minor lesson only. As the biker himself stated, the right gear completely saved him in this case.
Yeah, wearing full gear can make up for some idiotic stuff. You're lucky to be alive. Whoa! What the fuck? Damn, it's time to rescue a rider, guys. Time to rescue a rider. So, my biggest concern with that one is going to be a spinal cord injury. Okay, flew up behind him, found an open spot, moved into there. Truck is acting like an idiot. It's acting like a motorcycle rider. That truck is acting like a motorcycle rider. Alright, side of the vehicle, we're going to slow down, perceive this. Remember, orange stage, prepped and ready during intersections. We got pedestrians. It's an area where there's a lot of people. Slow it down. So right.
Moment that he knew.
Anyways, we're moving on. And I don't know exactly what happened. He's got a whistle around his neck just in case he gets lost. He's going to blow that whistle, and then his friends are going to somehow show up and save him. Don't know what happened. He applied the brakes. Let's move on. Don't really care. And we're going to go ahead and get through here. So we have the front of the vehicle. Are we just going to fight for the lane? Are we going down the wrong way or are they?
You might. Why are you cycling in the middle of the road?
I'm on the left-hand side
No,
of the
you're
road.
in the middle of the road.
I'm on the left-hand side
No,
of the
you're
road.
in the middle.
So he's being a brat.
Red light.
He's being an idiot. Just let him go. So don't block intersections, side of the vehicle. Now, it's not... They made a dum-dum. You don't need to honk. They already feel like an idiot in the middle of the intersection, okay? Don't be like that. So first-person view. This is actually kind of like a third-person view. Oh! He's walking. Okay. Holy crap. So left turner, intersection, left turner. Doesn't matter if they're paying attention or not. Okay, so they're going to argue. This is probably the end of this the thing. Let's watch that one more time. We're going to watch that one more time. So he's going through an intersection right here. Try to swerve. That was a left-handed turn person, and now we're on the ground. And we're walking wounded. So we're walking wounded. Very good. So they're just going to keep arguing about it.
Video.
But here's the thing. I want to say thank you to Motostars for having such good videos. Hey, look at Elon Musk.